Let us now focus on the archetype of the prodigal son. Archetypes are models of personalities that each one of us have hidden in our unconscious, and some of this becomes the mask we wear that people recognize for what we are. Like this prodigal son, we ourselves have a potential prodigal son in us. Alibugha, hambog, sarili lang iniisip. This prodigal son in the story was irresponsible, spendthrift, and ungrateful. Sino ba ang gugusto sa taong ganito ang ugali? These are traits hated across the universe, but why do we feel this animosity for this trait? These are learned consciously or unconsciously, and our hate for this is relegated to the shadow. While we hate it, it is also possible that we become like the prodigal son when opportunities arises. The more we hate this, the more it could describe what we desire within, the desire of the shadow, that deep in us dwells a prodigal son. Naroon ang kapintasan. We are not perfect, and all religion agrees to this human nature. All have sinned. Try to reflect. Recall one trait or weakness you may have that you couldn't resist or tame. Anong kahinaan mo na di mo kayang paglabanan? What happens if you suppress it? Kung pigilan mo ang sarili mo, mangingisay ka ba kung di mo makuha? What if you just allow yourself indulge in that weakness? May masasagasaan ka ba? May masasaktan? May masisira? Our shadow is not at all that bad. Walang masama sa ating anino dahil ikaw rin naman ito. Nature mo yan. Pero nagbibigay warning na huwag sosobra at huwag makakaabuso o makakasakit ng kapwa. These undesirable traits arises from our nature, seeking to survive in this life, yet warning ourselves not to overindulge, taking into consideration the well-being of people around us. A perfect example is a narcissist. Isang tao na sarili lang niya ang mahalaga, ang bida, kukunin lahat para sa sariling kaligayahan at kaginhawahan, kahit makatapak ng iba. All of us have a little narcissist in us, a little bit selfishness, and it is because that it is part of our instinct to survive. But we learn to live with people around us, we learn to love and empathize, at kapag natutunan nating magbigay at magmahal, doon natin napapaamo ang little narcissist na yan. Unfortunately, some people, kaunti lang naman sila. Due to certain trauma, malaking pagpapalaki sa kanila, their empathy is underdeveloped. They tend to use people, even those close to them, to enrich themselves. Sa sobrang bilib sa sarili, minamaliit ang iba para magmukhang angat sila. Their grandiose personality put down those around them. Kaayawan ang ugali nila. Their relationship is marked by breakups and hovering. Kapag walang-wala na, magpapakumbaba at hihingi ng tawad. Kapag nakuha ang gusto, balik sa dati ang ugali, walang pagsisisi. Ganyan ang prodigal son. Pero okay lang, tatay niya naman. Kilala niya naman ang tatay niya. Alam niyang papatawarin siya. Alam niyang tatanggapin siya uli. We have this potential in us to re-offend if we know that we can get out of this later on. We are not making any judgment here for now. This is just to recognize the prodigal son within.